the little leg. One of the videos that I would have played for you guys was called The Power of Silence. And say nothing. Someone has to fill in the dead air. Say nothing, but allow silence to sit. It's incredibly hard if you're not in practice of it, but allow silence to sit. People can't bear the silence. It's really, really hard for people to take the silence. 30 seconds is a really, really long time of no one saying anything. A minute is like an hour. And you're at their table and no one says anything. What's really, really exciting is to sit in it like a pig in warm mud, because people can't. Now, you're sitting there really, really quiet. Nothing's being said. But the other person can't not say anything. It's really, really hard. I want to see how long you guys can do it for. But when the other person says, Mr. Otten, if I do this, can you do that? If I stay here and say nothing, they will make another suggestion or they'll concede something. If you don't know how to do it and you want something to do, play with a pen or suck the end of a pen, glasses. That's really powerful. Just go.